Hello, welcome back once again to your channel, Miss Glam Designs. Today I'll be showing you how I made this gorgeous living room centerpiece using items of the Dollar Tree. This is a matching set to the other one I previously made using the same colors and flowers to create the same flow of spring around the house. Also, to match the dining room one, it's this cute little bunny, and I'll show you guys on my second DIY how I made this as well. So let's begin. And you will need the following items: 2 clear candle holders, a white candle. I grabbed this one. It's so pretty and sparkling, the silver. It just makes it look so good. I can't believe this is only 99 cents. I think this is a very good deal. 2 frame boxes. These are made out of plywood and you can find them in the picture section. A rectangular silver tray, Rust-Oleum metallic gold paint, clear glue E6000. These bunches are left over from my other DIY, but if you didn't see it, these are from Michael's, and as well as these peach peonies, pink peonies, white roses, and finally these mini Easter eggs. We'll start spray painting the silver tray. Make sure to spray 5 to 7 inches away in order to avoid excess of paint. Then we proceed to cut the flowers. Make sure to cut them very short and incorporate the leaves as well. We will cut 4 pink peonies, 4 white roses, and 2 peach peonies. After that's done, we'll place the flowers in the order we'll be gluing them using the hot glue gun. My main focus flower, it will be the peach peony, since it's the bigger one. Then aside are the white roses, and finally to the end is the pink peonies. Once all the flowers are glued, we take the Easter eggs and pull the shrink out. Then we glue them into 3 like a little bunch. I'm mixing the colors and I'm using 5 different ones. They are all pastel colors, so I think it will go well. Once they're all glued and dry, we place them on the middle edge of the tray. Moving to the candle holders, we'll take the tag off the candle base. Sometimes this part tends to be difficult, but my advice is add some water and let it sit until it's soaked, and then remove it with a razor. It should come off easily after we do this. Then we'll take the smaller candle holder, and with E6000 we applied it around the edge, and let's make sure it glues right in the center. Then we'll apply E6000 again on top of the same one we're working with and place the candle base on top. Let's make sure we press hard and it's right on the center, and we'll let it dry for at least 20 minutes because this tends to be shaky. Once it's dry, we add the candle and take 3 little pieces from the green bunch, and we glue it, setting up the corners where the flower line ends with the hot glue, and repeat the process on the 4 corners. This will give more volume to the flowers. Now we take the 2 box frames, and I'll use hot glue to start gluing them from the 4 corners. This will serve as a base to give it a little bit more height on the coffee table, but it's totally optional. And here it is, the final result of this spring DIY living room centerpiece. It could display from spring through summer due to the refreshing colors. I chose this skin color for this living room area because the main color of the home decor is that navy blue, therefore it balances beautifully. This is a great combination if you guys have dark colors in your home decor. Moving right away to the second DIY, we'll need a clear candle tray, 2 napkin rings, super glue, 2 bunnies, green moss, and mini Easter eggs. And this green brush is from Walmart. It's called White Jet and it's only 97 cents. Finally, hot glue gun. Moving on, we start spray painting the candle tray with gold paint. Then we let it dry for at least an hour to make sure it's completely dry. Once it's set and dry, we take the super glue and the 2 napkin rings and glue them one on each corner. This will serve as a support and it's also easier to grab them when moving around. Next, we take the bunny and add super glue to the bottom to place it on the tray. We let it sit for at least 2 minutes. Next, we'll take a little bit of moss and start placing it around. Let's add as much as needed since we want it to feel like the bunny is on the grass. After that, we start gluing the moss with the hot glue. It doesn't need that much since it kind of sets by itself. Let's make sure we trim any excess around for a cleaner look. After that, we take 5 eggs. I'll be using random colors. We start gluing the eggs with the hot glue, looking to the left. We'll be using very little of this bunch. We take off a little small piece and start gluing them in between the eggs. All these items are from the Dollar Tree, except for the bunnies. I already had them, but I've researched some similar ones for you guys. The link will be in the description box below. We are all done with our second DIY. It came out super cute and beautiful, adding more charm to the other DIY centerpiece we previously made. If you didn't see it, make sure to click on the link below called Spring DIY Centerpiece. Check out how I made that one also. Now we have 3 beautiful DIYs that will flow well on the spring home decor of this home. Thank you guys once again for the love and support. I got my first 200 views with the previous video, dining room tour, and I'm expecting to pass the 500 views on this one until my next video. If you like this DIY, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and share with your friends and family. Subscribe for more videos like this. Have a great day, guys, and see you next time.